asked Taylor at Comic-Con, somebody was screaming out if she could father his children.
Really?
He's not at the reproduction age.
Yeah, exactly.
He's 2 times 8.
We want to yell at it's not possible.
It's not possible.
So you already have it, right, Taylor? You have the girls kind of,
Yeah.
you know.
I don't know.
I'm ready. You see that crimson
yeah.
coming up?
You're turning so red.
I don't understand it.
So what's the craziest
You'll
thing
understand
that...
soon enough, my boy.
Eddie will teach you how to take
I will
advantage.
teach you.
Okay, you teach me, buddy.
What's the craziest thing that's happened to you so far?
I had a family member send me a link from Michigan and said, "What is this?" And I clicked on the link to see what it was, and it was thongs being sold on the internet that has Team Taylor written on the front of it. So
Not Jacob.
Right.
Not Jacob.
Taylor personal.
It's so far out.
So I'm just waiting for the day some, girl goes, "Can you sign my underwear?"
And your answer will be?
Of course.
Just as long as she's not wearing them, I don't want to have to come and bail you out from anywhere.
Let's see. He's not going to jail for that one.
I don't know. He's young.
They're going to jail.
They'll go to jail.
They're going to jail.
Exactly.
Taylor, how old are you?
Almost 17.
Oh.
2 times 8.
That's his nickname.
I feel bad. We're talking about all this adult stuff in front of you.
Hey, man, this kid has impressed me so much. He's well wise beyond his years. He's just definitely one of the most impressive young men that I've ever met.
Oh, well, thank you, Eddie.
I haven't said that to you before.
You haven't said this to
It
me.
means a lot, huh?
Wow.
It's a nice moment. After you make fun of him all day, that's a nice moment.
Well, he knows Kung Fu.
Oh, yeah, well, then he knows karate, so we're sucking
Right,
up.
and he's at that age where he's like, oh, I'm almost a year older. Because pretty soon you'll be like, oh, well, shaving off a few, right?
Every day counts when you're that young.